Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Pebble Pace fitness tracker or smartwatch. This is a very interesting looking smartwatch. Pebble has been in the business for a while now. They have been making smartwatches for quite a while. On this side we have a QR code. This is the one that you download to pair this particular device. A lot of information on this side. There's some stuff like this particular device has a heart rate monitor, a step pedometer, has IPX7 waterproof rating, which is great. What else is there? Full touch control, call alert, notification, usual stuff. This particular device also has a 170 mAh lithium polymer battery and has a standby time of 15 days and above, which is pretty good. It has a display of 1.4 inches TFT and it supports Bluetooth 5.2. Pretty standard once again. Let's just open this up and see what's inside. So we pull from here. This is the box. We lift the lid from over here very gently. And yeah, this seems to be a Paytm cashback and all of that. This looks like some bonus content. There is a tray over here. Let's lift the tray. Keep it here. Another tray. Keep it here as well. The plastic packet. This has a charging dock and I'm assuming a cable tie. This is the watch itself. Let's leave this right over here. And what else is here? This is a thank you note from the company, and this here is the user manual. Very important document. This will basically show you how to set up this particular smartwatch very easily, and it's actually pretty easy. Let's keep this here as well. Let's see what's inside this packet very quickly. This is a charging dock with an USB-A connector, and finally we have the smartwatch itself, the Pebble smartwatch itself. By the way, this is also a cable tie, I thought, but no, this is basically a duplicate of this particular strap right here. So I'm going to leave this here regardless, and let's take a quick look here. There you go. This is what the smartwatch looks like. It's already on, has quite a bit of charge as well, which is great. And there's a little plastic block over here that basically prevents you from accidentally turning this on, but it's on regardless. The silicone straps are very flexible but also seems tough. 1.4 inch TFT display. It's also quite chunky, by the way. This is one of the heavier smartwatches that I have unboxed recently, and it looks very stylish. I'll be absolutely honest. There's a Pebble logo over here as well. Let me just show this. The Pebble logo right there. And this is what the display looks like. It's already on, and it shows that 113 steps have been walked. Shows your heart monitor. Basically everything that you need to know is right here on the display itself. And other stuff you can just swipe up and get to the other options in this particular smartwatch. And that's it. That's what you find inside the box containing the Pebble Pace smartwatch. Thank you for watching.